Hi friends, today I would like to share how I got my migraine resolved. When I was young, I used to get cold very often, and cold used to get converted to migraine, that to one side of the head. It was so painful. As the day increased, the pain also used to increase, and I was not able to look down also. It was that much painful. And doctor suggested me to take steam along with eucalyptus oil. I tried that. I tried many medicines also, but nothing resolved it. And looking at all this, one day my aunt told me, there is a lady in my village. Why don't you come over there? I will take you to her. She actually performs a procedure for migraine, and many people have got resolved. So I agreed and I went to the village. My cousin took me to the lady. We had to go early morning and give one coconut to her. What she did is she took a small glass piece and pierced here somewhere, maybe on the vein or a nerve. I don't know. I was not believing anything will happen. But to my surprise, after that, I have not got such kind of severe pain anytime. So whether that resolved it, whether it was just a coincidence, I don't know. But I'm not here to talk about that. So I didn't get such kind of severe migraine pain later, but my cold and headache continued. It was many years, but the cold frequency was not that often. Recently, maybe 7 8 years back, when I was talking to my friend Prabhakar, I was mentioning I get cold very often and it blocks my nose, all that. He told me, why don't you try Jalaneti? I have tried that and I learnt it from a yoga institute, and it's so easy. You can just buy a Jalaneti pot, and it's just allowing the water to flow from one nostril to another. So that will actually help to clean the nose. So I thought of trying that. I bought Jalaneti pot from a yoga institute, and then I learnt the exact procedure from internet and started practicing. To my surprise, now I don't get headache anymore. Whenever I feel my head is heavy or feeling like nose is getting blocked, I immediately start Jalaneti. It may be 1 or 2 times a day, and within 1 or 2 days my headache is gone and my nose becomes clear. So what I understood is the saline water which flows through the nose, one is it pulls out the impurities, and also the migraine could be because mucus is getting dried inside the cavities, and that leading to other complications. When water goes inside the cavities, it helps the mucus to dissolve and come out easily, so that will eventually resolve the migraine problem. Of course, this solution will work only if the migraine is because of mucus getting dried inside the nasal cavities, and of course it cleans the nasal walls. We have to understand the procedure from good yoga teachers and then can practice it. It's easy because I can see that my daughter, who is 8 years old, she started practicing it. So it's not at all difficult. First time it may be little difficult, but once you practice it, it becomes so easy. You can do it anytime. I'll show the procedure now. I normally do it near the sink. Just to show here, I'm showing that. So this is the Jalaneti pot. I fill it with water which is mixed with salt. So what we have to do is we have to take this, so to the nose, adjust, bend it, Once one nose is done, I once again fill it and do that for the other nose. Holding it like this, the water flows from this nose to the other side. So while doing it, we have to keep our mouth open so that the breathing will happen normally. One thing is, remember, once we have done the Jalaniti procedure, we have to thoroughly flush our nose like this. Bend it and thoroughly flush it so that water doesn't stay inside the nose. This helps. One is the mucus gets dissolved and comes out, and it cleans the inside of the nose. We can do it 2-3 times, no issues. This helps to solve the one is clear our nostrils or blockages, and if there are other issues associated with that, those will go away. So friends, hope you have understood the procedure and the benefits. Wish you all the best. So if you are struggling with migraine, practice this from good yoga instructors and start doing it. You can do it for a few days. If you find it beneficial, you can use it whenever you need. And there are different types of Jalaniti pots. You can order online also, or will be available in yoga shops. Thank you.